Welcome back to ClearTask. Today, I am going to show you how to connect a custom domain to your Lovable AI project. It is a very straightforward process, so let's dive right in. First, open your active project in Lovable AI. Click on the project drop-down menu and select Settings. From there, navigate to the Domains tab. Click on Add Existing Domain and then select Connect Domain. Enter the custom domain name that you already own and click Continue. Lovable AI will quickly analyze your domain. While it may offer an automatic connection by logging into your registrar, I highly recommend choosing the manual setup option. It is safer and keeps your registrar credentials completely private. Now open a new tab and log into the company where you bought your domain, like GoDaddy, Namecheap, or Hostinger. Navigate to your domain's DNS management page. You need to add 2 A records exactly as Lovable displays them. Click Add a new record. Choose a record. For the host or name field, type www, paste the required IP address value provided by Lovable, and click Save. Now add the second record. Again, choose a record. This time for the host or name field, type the @ symbol. Paste the second required IP address value and save it. Once both A records are saved in your DNS settings, head back to Lovable AI. Click the button confirming you have added the 2 records to your provider, and that is it. Your domain is now linked. Keep in mind, DNS changes can take anywhere from a few minutes up to 48 hours to propagate globally. If it still says not connected, just be patient and refresh later. If this ClearTask tutorial helped you out, please drop a like and subscribe for more clean technical guides. See you in the next one.